All right, it was good, people. Producer Mykah here, and today we're gonna be looking at if Ozedikus actually produced this Wizkid and Jorja Smith latest jam, which was produced by P2J. So let's just listen to if Ozedikus had produced that jam.
You make me feel so alive. Don't stop while you're doing it right. You make me feel so alive. We get up all night. How could you ever think twice? When it comes to you and I, you make me feel so alive. So I got the type of loving way gon' make you really feel your best. I get the type of vibing way gon' make you one day on track.
Yeah, so it's gonna sound something like this. Or yeah, I think so. But yeah, just the elements of his drums and the groovy bass, then just little chord and some little spices here and there. Ozedikus don't really stress himself. So yeah, and let me know what you think. He might actually increase the tempo, but for me, I decided to use 107. But for him, I think maybe he might go 110, 112, because I think those are his sweet spot. Yeah, so it just is the normal drum bounce. It's his signature. So these are the drums. Basically, everything right here is from the pack, except maybe the drum fills. So we have this. Then the bass, the good old amazing trillion bass. Then I added this percussion groove right here. And with the vocals, so I need a vibe. So what do we have here? We have the snare, this normal snare, which is actually the snare, the log snare. Then we have the percussion, this tribal. Everything is from the pack. So if you like Ozedikus vibe, I want to create something like that. Just have that pack. Just have that pack. So we have this. Then we have conga, the index conga from the pack. Then we have hi-hat from the pack too. Then we have the kick, steady kick, the kick from the pack also. Then we have this. Then we have stick. Then we have this congaro from the pack also. Then we have this ring from the pack also. Everything from the pack. Then I just got these shakers, percussion shakers. And yeah, that's everything. It's already groovy. Then the drum fill, the transition, which is the resolve transition. We added some percussion, this fill. And so I did. Yeah, then the next thing is the chords. So for the chords, you have some nice chords, just some nice jazzy chords. And I'm using Analog Lab, which I could also even copy this Lounge Wizard for the chords and just paste. Nice chords. Well, yeah, and that's basically everything with the bass groove. So no stress, you have a vibe. Nice, and that's everything for me. That's everything. So yeah, and I wish I could play with the vocals, but yeah, I think I'm gonna play from this section of the vocals.
Hold you up. Ain't no other person to control you up. Every time I remember your face, yeah, you really know what to impress. Yeah, make I hold you up.
It's a vibe. This is just a quick tutorial, and for the drums to be hitting that hard, I have my master plan, which I always love to use on my master, just to give it an amazing master plan to solidify everything, to make everything really, 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 really nice. Yeah, but I think that's basically everything. Simple vibe, no stress, no stress, no stress, man. So let's just hear it from the top. So we have this. Yeah, man. So let me know what you guys think. Is this fire or not? For me, I just feel like the jam is kind of a bit slow. Just wanted to speed it up, and let's see what it's gonna sound like. And this sounds really, 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 really nice, and I love it. I love it. I love the groove, but I feel like dancing. So if you got something from this video and you want to see more amazing videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, so you definitely get notified when next I post. And peace out, man.